So this just came in the mail. I've been waiting for this. Oh, this is interesting wrapping. So this is the new Galaxy Z or Z Flip3 5G in the white variant. This is an online exclusive only from the website, mainly because I wanted that 256 storage, which most of the other colors do not come in the large capacity. Alright, so I'm going to put the phone aside for now. A little SIM card tool, USB-C to USB cable, and some paperwork. Well, you don't get a lot. It's basically just the phone, which looks like... Oh, wow, sugoi. Wow. This finish is not what I expected at all. It's like this matte finish. Oops. Nope, I think I did it wrong. Wow, so the edges are also matte black. Oh. I gotta say, this looks really good. They're both roughly the same size. I can already tell the bezel is thinner. Hold on. Oh.